Hello everyone, we have this device. Model number is Onyx Studio 6. So that's the model number. Customer try to fix something here. I think he replaced this one and end up damage a connector in this balance control. So you see the connector, it was here and it was like this connector here, and there is a flex cable going from here to this one. That's the flex cable. So this side of this flex cable here is completely damaged. This side here is still good. So let's look at it at the microscope. Yeah, you can see the pins. After we fix the connector, we need to rebuild this flex cable. So we have missing pad over there. So that's what we have. So the flex cable was connected here, and so just wanna kind of figure in how it was down, and it was going right here. I don't think it's going like this way. Yeah, kinda, yes. So the connector pins is right here. I don't have any connector matching this one, the same pins, but I have one close to it. Is this one here. This is 10-pin connector, but this one is 2, 4, 7 is a 14. But I think we still can use it, right? So let's do it. We are going to use the low melt solder to make it like go quick. Yeah, I did check for a replacement board. We can't find it, so we are going to build our board. So that's our connector, and already I glued the blue plastic piece. I'm just giving it like a thickness to fit good in the connector. So our connector is soldered good, and we have to plug it right. Two, 4, 5. It looks like it's this way. This pad here and this pad here is just for to hold the old connector. So this is the connectors, this is the pads that we need to make the connection to, and the other side there is a pad here, right here. That's the pad number, like here, that's the pad number 1. So this one the other side, this one here, this one the other side, and we keep going, this one to here and this one to the other side. So I think we should be good, because you can see the copper connector, it's right in this gap. Yeah, because this connector is a little bit bigger than the original one. Alright, let's try it. Alright, we put the bottom, and let's carefully connect it to the board. This is the battery right here, just one cell. It's very small battery. I don't think it will hold a long charge, maybe maximum 1 hour. Let's see if it has any charge. I see some light and I hear the sound. The power button works. Yeah, we have PT switch, that's the Bluetooth, and volume negative, volume down, power switch, volume plus, and play, pause. So let me try to connect it to the Bluetooth. Maybe it's off now. Let's see. So so you can see the light. So there is some connection. So we'll look for the Bluetooth, and okay, yeah, it's peering. I hear it, the sound. So let's go to the grab some song. So the volume down work, volume up works. We already test the Bluetooth button and power button. So let's test the play and pause. Yep, you can see it stopped the sound, and we click play. The LED works over there. So it fixed. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.